This week, we're working with watercolor and ink.
This is cold pressed watercolor paper. When the paper's made, they take a freezing cold iron and they press down the paper. What this does is gives it a nice texture to handle watercolor paint. This stuff is awesome for mixed media. You can use it with paint, whatever you like.
Making a wash is a watercolor technique that's really excellent for making backgrounds. We're gonna take a really soft brush and add as much water and really wet that paper. As we drip and flick the paint, it will start to blend and warp together and really give an awesome effect. Now you have an awesome background for doing illustration or painting. Here's an awesome technique for getting a really cool texture within your watercolor washes. For this, we're gonna use sea salt. As the water starts to dry, it will crystallize. This crystallization will show an effect inside the watercolor paint. This technique is really great for getting texture. Now that we have our watercolor backgrounds, we can start to ink on top. The trick with doing black ink illustration is to cross-hatch. Cross-hatching is a shading technique that is used to achieve depth and volume. The more lines that cross over, the darker the area gets. You can use this to really pull your illustration.